project. Here you switch to the analog or mixed ADE and you give any of the dummy name. Okay, and then you give the browse. Here OrCAD Capture Lite Edition. Okay, create a blank project. Understand how to go? The browse here means go to the C path, and then there also OrCAD Capture Lite Edition will be there. From there you can go, and if you need to search for an existing project, you are using it. If you are going to for a blank project, you are going to this. Okay, everything is a user friendly here. Then click OK. If you are getting the dotted screen like this, then you have reached a proper place. Understand? Can we go now? Up to now, did you understand how to do it? Is there any doubt? No. Now what you have to do, I have given the what circuit and what waveform you people have or you going to get. I have given clearly to you people. You have to go only these two circuits, nothing else. Okay, now here first what you have to do, first while connecting the circuits, what you people will do, you people will first you will rig up all the components whatever is required on the circuit board. Is it right? And then what you will do, then you will connect wherever it is required. Is it right? And then what you do, you will adjust for the voltage values, whichever the values you need to do. Is it right? And then you connect the input and the output, then you switch it on, then you will get same procedure you have to do it here. But instead of hardware part, you are doing according to the software here. Understanding? So now here all the toolbars are there, which is very user friendly. Whenever you go too near to it, you will get a small description regarding it. But here according to you people are not using anything else, only place a part. Can you observe here? And then it is a place a part is for selecting all the components. Place a wire for selecting the wire for connecting it. And N1 is there. Can you observe here? Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
N1 it is for connecting the ground. I'll tell you where to do. Okay. First you are going to place a wire. You here the value, what is the IC number of the pump? MU-A741. Mu is not there, so you have to type the U. Okay. U-A. Actually the library it is not there. So if all the libraries, all the components are placed in this library, no need to add, or else what you people need to do, add the library. Whatever the values are there, whatever the folders are there, you keep on adding it. Is it? Are you getting? Go to add library. Just whatever the folders are there in the library, you keep on adding it. All the components, it will come to your circuit. Next, again go to add library. Analog P, open. Add library, breakout, open. Add library, open. Add library, source, open. Add library, open. Add library, special, open. So you have added all the things. Now what you have to do, you are typing which are the components you require. UA741. You click it on OK. So just click it on yes here also. Is it the UA741? Yes. So you are clicking it. After clicking, the pink box will come. Right click, end the mode. Quickly you need to do it. It looks like easy, but you have to be very careful through the connection. 1 to 2 times, everything is proper. If any of the output value does not come, means it is a problem only with the connections. That's all. Okay. And now op-amp is over. How many resistors do we require for this connection? 2 resistors. So, you go to same procedure. Again you will click on OK. Yes. And wherever you require, See here you are placing, and then here I need it vertically. So what I'll do, I right click. Here you'll be having mirror vertical, mirror horizontal, rotate. So in the rotate, I'll do it, I'll connect it, and then end the mode. Whenever you don't require, you just end the mode. Okay, and then resistors are over. Next I'll go for the VDC. How many VDCs do we require? 1, 2, 3. Is it right? And you can observe this is a 7 and this is a 4. 4 is connected to minus 12. Can you observe? And 7 is connected to plus 12. And this is also, it is a plus 12. So go to here and you VDC. You type it here. Click on OK. Yes. Is it the plus to minus or minus to plus? Minus. Actually, so what you have to do, you go to here, click on right, mirror vertically. Mirror vertically, exact opposite it will come. So you click it here, and one more plus is there. You click it here, and then one more after this resistor, that is also plus. Yes, it's according to the plus. Do according to the connections. Just select all the components and do according to the connections. Now even only one more it is that we have selected the op-amp, we have selected all the. Are you having this sheet? If yes, it is, you have to do along with this, or else you get this, you do according to this sheet. Okay, and now I require the, here the sine waveform we have to convert it to the square waveform. This is a sine voltage. That's why for selecting this type of input you have to select the component as VSIN. So you can cross check it, V of V ample and frequency. Even the parameters here is V of V ample and frequency. So you click it on OK, and wherever you require you just click it and right click, end the mode. So all the components is over now. What are the values, what are the components I require, I have selected it. Then what do I need to do? Here you need to do the, even whenever I do also, I'll do it very carefully. Even it is a slow process also, no, it's not a matter. But you have to do the proper connections. For connecting the wires, you have to go for this. Place a wire, and wherever you require the connections, you have to keep on connecting it. From 4, how to connect it, I'll tell you. From this box, can you observe this box, small box here? From here you click left, and then once you get the red, did you observe? You are getting this red. You should not get yellow kind of. Yellow means you are just somewhere you are short circuited. You should not get this. You should get only the red. Now you, that is finished. If it is extending, which I don't require, just press escape, and again you take one more wire, one more kind of wire, and then see, you should get this red. You should not get the warning. Okay. what are you doing? This. It's all now.
You understood?
See here. Is this 7 it is connected to plus 0 it is there. I'll tell you how to give the values afterwards. Okay. See, 7 is connected to plus, even 7 is connected. You cross check all the connections whether it is connected properly. 7 it is also connected to plus 12 and minus it is connected to ground. I'll tell you how to give the ground connection. This is finished. And 4 it is connected to minus. 4 it is connected to minus and then it is connected to the ground. We are dragging it and then we are leaving for the ground connection. That is also finished. Pin number 2, I have connected to the V sign and I have dragged a little bit for the ground connection. That is also finished. And pin number 3 I have connected. Pin number 3 I have connected to the junction. From there, 2 resistors are there. One resistor again it will go to the VDC. Again from there I have dragged it for the ground connection. And then from here I am connecting to the pin number 6. So from here I am connecting to the pin number 6. This all finished. Now what do I need to do? I need to give the ground connection plus I need to reset the values according to the circuit. Now I'll tell you what is the values, how to give the values. What is the value of the resistor here? 90k according to this. Okay. For this what you need to do? Go to that values, left click double tap. Go to the values, left click double type, you will get the display properties. In this whatever the value you require, you type it here, 90k, enter. The value will be set for you. Can you observe? It has been changed. And then go to the value. What is the value of the R2 resistor? 10k. So 10k, enter. And then the value of this, it is 3.3 volts, enter. And then the value of here, it is again 10 and 10. And then here you have to reset for the 3 parameters. Go to the V of double click towards left, 0 volts, enter. And then V ample, 10 volts is there, 10 volts, enter. And frequency 50 hertz, enter. So all the values it has been set according to the circuit. Now we have to give the ground connection. For this ground connection, what is the value of the ground? Is it 0 volts? So go to the N1. What the value it is there? That is 0. You click it on OK. A small box it will come. Here wherever you require the ground connection, you set on that line. Can you observe? You have to go to that line. Wherever it is required, you have to go to the line. See, the 0 will come. If 0 is come, it is with the ground connected. And then here, and then here, and then here. And then end the mode. So that's all the connections. Entire connection is over. After that, we require a input and the output. For the input and the output, we have a same probe. Even for the input also, we are using, even in the connections also, we are using same electric probe even for the input and even for the output. Can you observe the toolbar V here? Voltage level marker is there. What do you need?
Me, no?
Why you're talking?
I was not talking.
You were talking. Which I saw? See, go to the voltage level marker. Wherever you require the input probe, you click to here, then end that mode, and then now entire connection is over. Understand? Just I'll recall once. So here you're going to the first you're opening the OrCAD Capture Light edition, and then you'll get one dialog box, that is you have to write some name with, and you have to give the analog to mix AD. One window will come. If you click on, you have to go for the browse, you go for the C path and then OrCAD Capture Light edition, click on OK, then you'll get one more, and in that window you have to click it for the create a new blank project. After that after that here will come. Here you are going to, then this dotted screen will come. Here you have to select first the components. If you are not having any of the components in the library, just keep on adding it. You know how to do it. Okay, and after adding it, select all the components which are you require. Then you are using this place a wire. Using this place a wire, you are connecting carefully such that if the red red line has been displayed, that means the connection is proper. If red symbol along with the warning symbol, if it comes, you have to come out and you connect it one more time. This is how you need to do the connections. Even if you connect little bit extra also, it will be like a short circuit. If you won't connect a little bit also, that is a open circuit. For both the cases, you won't get the output. Only in the connections you have to be very careful and you have to be in patience. Okay, and after connecting it, wherever the values it is required, go to it, double click, and you will get the windows of the double display properties. There you will enter the value which you require, and you keep on entering the values of the corresponding or of the respective components. After doing it, you require the ground connection. Go to the N1, there you will enter 0, and wherever the ground connection you come, go to that line, click to it and in that mode. And afterwards we require the input and the output probe. So for this you should use the voltage level marker. These are the current marker and this is a power marker. So you should not use any of the thing, you should use only the voltage marker. Wherever you require the input and the output, you just click to it and end that mode. Entire thing is over here. And after doing entire connections, you have to save it. After saving, can you observe it is a new simulation profile is there. You have to, new simulation profile is there. Here also you give some dummy name, create, and here you will get this simulation setting. In this simulation setting, you have to enter the runtime and the step size. What is the runtime here? 40 milliseconds. For both the circuits, 40 milliseconds itself. Step size for this is 0.1 millisecond. There instead of 0.1, for relaxation also, you are using the 0.01 millisecond. That's all. Okay. So here you are going to the runtime. Delete it. 40 milliseconds. And then you are going for the step size 0.1 millisecond. And for this, don't go directly to OK. Apply and then OK. Did you understand? And you cross check one more time. Sometimes what happens, here now probes are appearing, but sometimes after going to the simulation profile, if you come back, this probes, it will just disappears. Don't get tense. One more time, you go to the voltage level marker and then click on to the wherever you require the input and the output, and again at last after whatever it is there, if you come back, save it one more time. Did you understand how to do it? Go to the simulation profile, you get a dialog box and you give a dummy value, and then you go to one more windows. In that you have to enter 40 milliseconds and 0.1 millisecond runtime and step size respectively, and then apply and then okay. Come back, you cross check everything is okay with it, then you save it one more time, and then you have a triangular kind of what is written there. So you run the PSpice, click it on OK. See, sine waveform, it has been converted to the square waveform. So this is how you will get the waveform. Even if you do the relaxation oscillator, you will get the square waveform and you will get the capacitor waveform. Understand how to do it? Will you do? So what you can do, only two groups can do simultaneously in here and there.